Right, putting the front timber on where all the OSBs have been screwed down, and you've got timber done on that side and done there, and I'm screwing it down. Right, this is the tip for the screws. Don't get a screw, put it in where you think it's in and go down, because all that will happen over time. This will just lift up. So always use a longer screw than you would normally use and screw it from the side, going at an angle. If it goes in at an angle, the board then can't lift up because it's anchored that way. Drive it in. And then the same for the front ones. You don't want them just popping out. So you also, if you look underneath, you're screwing up onto there, which is higher. So you just also come up at an angle and all this is going to get covered with felt, so I'll just trim all that off. But yeah, you get the picture. If you're going straight, and it wears and wiggles, it moves up. If you're going at an angle, then it won't. Thanks for watching. Follow for more tips.